干 means dry or 干 tree branches. So 1, 2, 3. 干 or 干. So the first one 干 or the second one 干. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the third one is
平 even, fair, like in 公平 平平 Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 平
Number 4 is 木 tree or wood. Okay, let's try 木 1, 2, 3, 4. 木 1, 2, 3, 4. 木 Number 5 is 米 rice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 米 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and number 6, last one is 来 come. So add one more stroke on me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 来 Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's all for chapter 2. See you next time.